I'm trying to become more familiar with Terminal, so I thought I'd put together a video showing what I've learnt so far for anyone else who's just starting out with Terminal and wants to learn more. One of the things that I'm starting to notice is that using the terminal can be more efficient than using the graphical interface of the computer. First, we can change the profile of the terminal by clicking Preferences. Then, over in Profiles, you can see the options. I'm going to change to Pro. I'll just close and reopen to apply the changes. We navigate using the CD command. I'll change directories to my Python projects folder. You can use either the absolute path or the relative path. I'll do the absolute path first. The absolute path is the path from the root directory. So for me, it's users/username/documents/Python. The relative path takes into account our current directory, so it would have just been documents/Python. From here we can use ... to go to the parent directory. So now I'm back in Documents, and we can use cd / to navigate to the root directory, and cd squiggly line to navigate to the home directory. So now we're back in home where we started, so this is how we would have got to the Python folder using relative path. Usually the relative path is shorter and easier to do, so that's probably the one you'll use most often. We can make folders from within the terminal too. I'll navigate to the desktop so that we can see the folders pop up. And I'm just pressing Command K to clear the window here. mkdir is the command to make a new folder. So I'll make a folder called New Folder. And I'll just make a couple more. New folder 2. Test. I'll just navigate inside the test folder. You can create new files using the touch command. Touch file 1. Touch file 2. Touch file 3. These are just blank files, but we can create whatever file type we want. We can create a new Word document file if we want to. Then we can just use the open command to open the file that we created with the default application. I'll open up the folder so that we can see everything. We can move and rename files by using the mv command. I'll move file 3 from the test folder to the desktop and change its name to file from test. We can use the ls command to list the files in the current directory. And we can see here that file 3 is no longer there. We can also delete files with rm. I'll remove file 1 and file 2. Terminal has a built-in text editor, Vim. We can create and edit files using Vim and then the file name. So I can make a Python script from within Terminal. We'll just do a hello world program. Once we're in Vim, you press I to edit. When you're done editing the file, press the escape key, then type :W to save, and :Q to quit Vim. And we can run our Python program to make sure it's working. Hello world. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. I'll link a really detailed video on Terminal from the Missing Semester YouTube channel if you want to learn more about it. There are heaps of really good videos on that channel. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.